This chance is hard to come by, so show me all you've got. So very few ever get the chance to square off with the Fatui Harbinger. So come now, amuse me, and don't you dare disappoint.
Teamwork is dreamwork!
I must leave no...
Forth, my blade.
Fourth time.
Submit for judgment.
You're wide open. Not bad, not bad.
Leave it all to me. Someone needs
So quick
assistance.
to flee.
Wingblade!
Run all you like. You've made some progress. Not bad. You've got a trick or two. Good. No wonder Senora was so wary of you. Well, that just means I can go all out. Brace yourself. This is about to get tough. Now, show me what you can do against the might of a Harbinger.
Be gone!
You've got some skills. Not bad. Your swordsmanship is quite impressive. But that's about as far as you'll get. Didn't think you had that card hidden up your sleeve.
You were just playing us to get close to the Exuvia!
Oh, quiet down. Stop acting like some wide-eyed recruit. You've seen this world. You of all people should know. This should have been expected! Well then, I'll be taking Morax's Gnosis now! Huh? I see. Well, this is most unexpected. You beat me to it, didn't you?
This is going to cost you! You got to the Gnosis ahead of me, didn't you? Did you simply move faster? Or did you leak the information regarding the Golden House to me on purpose? No matter. Hand the Gnosis over, now! Don't make me take it from you!
We didn't take it!
Fourth, my blade.
I'm going in!
Swift and merciful.
I must leave no stone unturned.
Let's light it up!
Die here.
Leave it all to me.
Let's light it up! Why do they never miss?
Fourth, my blade. But how? I cannot underestimate my enemy.
Steady as stone.
Submit for judgment. Swift and merciful.
That's gonna hurt in the morning.
Leave it all to me.
Die here.
A touch of frost.
Some you win, and some you lose.
Look! Child's back to normal again.
Well then, time to cool off. It seems the burden of the foul legacy transformation was too great for my body. I lacked the opportunity to think this through. And now that I consider the matter more carefully, you never had any chance of beating me to the Gnosis. You had no connection to the Gnosis, no matter where it had been taken.
That's what we've been trying to tell you. We didn't take it.
Your show of ability today far surpasses that of Signora's initial assessment of you in Mondstadt. Tell me, how could that be?